Alright, so as I explained before, this Apple Watch system is pretty simple to use. Was not the biggest fan of some of the packaging. Some of the packaging was really good. The best part of the packaging, in my opinion, is definitely this part of the box here. For this, I really like it. It's satisfying. It comes open like that, and you find the dial snugly in there, very well packaged there too. Not the biggest fan of having to open this part of the packaging here, but these things are pretty easy to put together. They kind of slide in like that, so that's something easy to take care of later. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this quick video unboxing, and I will see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Likey.